Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist. Hi, as it's Halloween this month, I thought I'd try a bit of a spooky experiment. I found this one when I was researching about my sugar series, and it's called the Screaming Jelly Baby. I hope you get why. For this experiment you need potassium chlorate, a test tube, a clamp and stand, a heat source, and most importantly, a jelly baby. Potassium chlorate is a solid at room temperature, so we need to heat it up to melt it before we start. Now that it is melted, I can add in the jelly baby. Wow, that was so cool! It's so smoky. It really smells as well. It smells like melted sweets and sugar. I think it should really be called the Howling Jelly Baby instead. What do you think? Potassium chlorate is an oxidizing agent. The sugar in the jelly baby acts as a fuel. When the two mix, they give off carbon dioxide and water vapor. As these gases expand and leave the tube, they produce the noise. You can also see that the reaction is exothermic, as it releases a lot of light and heat energy. Let's see what the experiment looks like in the dark. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember, do not try this at home. Thanks for watching. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Franz Scott to Stephen Gates.